Hey everyone, my name is Zachary Diel, and I'm going to be showing you Powtoons today, which is the technology that I decided to showcase. So Powtoons is kind of like PowerPoint in that you can create presentations and videos, explanations, stuff like that. But what's nice about Powtoons, it's like PowerPoint, but it's now updated and upgraded for a modern generation to be more engaging and more awesome pretty much overall. So we're here at the dashboard, and I wanted to show you there's 4 basic templates that we can use to kind of get started. There's an animated explainer where you can have characters moving on your screen. There's a whiteboard video editor where you can actually have someone drawing out things on your board so you can kind of make it more fun and engaging, kind of a silly little demonstration there for you. And then we have our marketing video, or if you're making like a marketing project or some kind of business thing, this can get you a good template to get started with that for your students. And then we have our basic presentation option where you can just start off with a basic template with that. So I want to go ahead and showcase the whiteboard video template. There's some easy ones right here. You see that there's a lot of options. A lot of them include as the pro version right here. That just means it's a little extra, so if you paid, you could use those. We're going to use a free one. It says join our team, and we're going to click edit in studio. So this is going to open up our video editor. Now it takes a little bit to load just because there's a lot that goes into it, but as we're getting ready to load, I'm going to explain kind of our options. There's 2 main options we have. We have an edit option and we have a create option. The edit option is just going to let you take this basic template that you get at the start and basically just change some basic things about that. You can change the font on your slides. You can change icons, add in different images, stuff like that. So it's basically kind of like a PowerPoint in that version of this video or presentation editor here, which is the edit section. So again, you go through your slides and you can click on these different iconographies, these texts, these shapes here, and you can just swap out for different things, add new colors, stuff like that. So that's the edit option. So that's not necessarily the most exciting thing. It's pretty much just like PowerPoint in that version, but what makes it really interesting is this create option right here, where we basically just swap everything around, and now you have this toolbar opened up to you where you can add in different scenery, you can add in backgrounds, you can add these characters to your screen, where maybe you just want to be able to maybe have some fun. So you can put in a character on your screen, put them in there, and you can make them do different actions. You can change their outfits. And then you can add props to your characters. Maybe you want your character to wear headphones, or you can make them have a bright idea. There's options to add these props with those characters, and it just makes you have that ability to just customize it more than I think PowerPoint gives you the availability to. You can also add in shapes. You can add in basic images or your own images. You can upload your videos or some B-roll footage that they have in their library right here for free. Another cool feature is you can add in voiceovers. Maybe you want to send this video out to your class so that you don't have to present it live. You can add video voiceovers where you can just have yourself talking over that video overlay, which is a really nice option to have. And then you just have your specials where you can add in these different things like holidays, caricatures, and of course if you have the Pro model you can add in pixels, these label stickers, fun stuff like that. So overall, this is Powtoon. It's just a much better presentation tool that you can allow your students to flex their creative muscles. You give them their direction and just see where they end up. It's really, really fun, and I've had a blast just learning about how to use it, and I think it'd be a great tool for your students to take advantage of. All right, so this is Powtoons. My name is Zachary Diel. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a good one.